My dear students, Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Mrutam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignam Kurume Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take a class for the grade 3, that is class 3. The science lesson number 4, that is animals, food they eat. Food they eat. Animals, food they eat. What kind of food the animal eats, okay, and what are they called as? The animals which eats only plants, what they are called? The animals which they eat the other animal, what they are called? The animals which they eat both plants and animal, what they are called? How they eat, okay, how the teeth structure of that animal, okay, that we all discuss, we all come to know in this lesson. You know, all the creatures on the earth needs food. They eat food, right? What kind of food they eat, what they are called, okay, how are the structure of their teeth, okay, and that all things we are going to study in this session, okay. Are you ready? Right. Animals, food they eat, okay. Let's start. Have you seen animals feeding on their favorite food? Have you seen animals feeding on their favorite food? Following are the animals that are eager to have their lunch, but somebody has mixed up their platters. Can you correctly match the animals with their food? Okay, can you match their animal with their food? Okay, see, the lion or the tiger eat the flesh of the other animal, this, whereas the monkey like to eat bananas. Monkeys like to eat bananas, right? Whereas this what we call horn like to eat grass, okay. That you have to later you have to match with the what kind of food they eat, okay. Then let's start reading and understanding. Different animals eat different types of food. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರದ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತವ, ಊಟ ತಿಂತವ, ಆಹಾರ ತಿಂತವ ಅಂತ. Different animals eat different types of food based on their food habits. Based on their food habits. Animal can be divided into 3 groups. Animals can be divided into 3 groups. Animals that eat only plants, animals that eat only other animals, animals that eat both plants and animals. These animals have eating habits are divided into 3 types. One is the plants which eat only plants, the animals that eat only plants, the animal that eat both plants and animals, and animals that eat only the animals, other animals, okay. These are the 3 different habits of eating habits of the animals. Animals that eat only plants, animals that eat only both, animal that eat only other animals, animal that eat both plants and animals, okay. So ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಆ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅದು ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೀತ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಬರೀ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ತಿಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನು ತಿಂತವ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನು ತಿಂತವ, ಬೋತ್ plants and animals, right? Animals that eat only plants, right? we will discuss the animal which they eat only the plants. You must have seen a goat eating grass. You must have seen, right? Goat, sheep, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? You must have seen a goat eating grass. There are many other animals that eat only plants. There are many other animals that eat only plants. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿಂತಾವ. ಲೈಕ್ ಡೀರ್ ಇದೆ, horses, elephants and giraffe eat only plants. Cow, buffalo, sheep, deer, horses, elephants, giraffe, they eat only the plants. Only the plants. Many birds such as parrot, pigeons and sunbirds also eat plants. Means the plant's fruit. Parrot, pigeon and sunbirds also eat plants. Some insects such as a grasshopper eat the leaves of the plant. Hummingbird, butterflies and the bees feed on the nectar found in the flowers. Nectar found in the flowers. Okay? ಹೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫುಡ್ನ ಇವು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು, ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈಸು ಮತ್ತು ಬೀಸು ತಿಂತವ. They have a straw-like mouth part to suck the nectar. They have a straw-like mouth part to suck the nectar. Butterflies, bees and hummingbirds ಏನಂದ್ರೆ straw-like, ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ straw-like ಮೌತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ತಿಂತವ. Okay? Clear? So, you must have seen a goat eating grass. Goat, sheep, ತಿನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿವಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಸು. There are many other animals that eat only plants. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವು ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ನ ತಿಂತವ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, deer, horses, elephant, cow, buffalo, etc. They eat only the plants. Many birds such as parrot, pigeon, sunbirds also eat plants. Okay? Some insects such as grasshopper eat the leaves of the plant. Hummingbird, butterflies and the bees feed on the nectar found in the flowers. They have a straw-like mouth parts to suck the nectar. They have straw-like mouth parts to suck the nectar. ಆ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೌತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂದ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ನ ಆ ಬೀಸು, ಹನಿ ಬೀ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹನಿ ಬೀಸು, ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈಸು ಮತ್ತು ಹಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು ಅದೇ ತಿಂತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, herbivores animals that eat only plants. The plants which they eat only plants are called herbivores. Herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. Okay? So next we can see the animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. The animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Herbivores such as buffaloes, horses and giraffes have flat teeth that help them to chew their food into small pieces. Okay? Herbivores such as buffaloes, horses and giraffes have a flat teeth that help them to chew their food into small pieces. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿರ, ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಈ ಹರ್ಬಿವೋರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ most of the human beings are vegetarians. ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಥರ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ನೈಫಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪೀಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಕಾಲದವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ God has created some structure. Okay? Like Herbivores such as buffaloes won't eat non-veg, other animals. Horses, they won't eat other animals. Giraffes, they won't eat other animals because their teeth are flat. They have a flat teeth that help them to chew their food into small pieces. Okay? Herbivores such as buffaloes, horses and giraffes have flat teeth that help them to chew their food into small pieces. See the structure of the herbivorous animals. Okay? Squirrels and rabbits have very sharp teeth. They eat seeds, nuts, fruits, and they nibble at their food. This is called gnawing. This is called gnawing. Squirrels, rabbits have very sharp teeth. They eat seeds, nuts, fruits. They nibble at their food. This is called gnawing. Okay? Herbivores have a flat teeth. You can see the flat teeth, herbivorous plants. Alright? So next what all we can do is, after reading this, let's check your understanding. Okay? Buffaloes have dash teeth that help them to chew their food. They have the flat teeth. Buffaloes. Butterflies feed on the nectar found in the flower. True. Correct. So this you have to write it here. You need to check your understanding after reading and understanding the concept what all you have studied, that you need to check. That's called checkpoint. Let's check. It's interesting. Herbivores, animals such as buffaloes, sheep, goats, swallow pieces of grass without chewing them. After some time, they bring back and swallowed food into their mouth and chew it well with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. Chewing the cud. Chewing the cud. Herbivorous plants naga buffaloes, sheep, goats ಇವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಬಡ 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 ಸಿಕ್ಕಂತ ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನ ತಿಂತಾವ. ತಿಂದು ನುಂಗ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ನುಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾವ. ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ಮ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನುಂಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಮೆರಿತಾವ. ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆಕಳು, ಎಮ್ಮಿ, ಗೋಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಾಗ ಮೆಲ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಫುಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ಬಡ 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 ತೊಗೊಂಡು ತಿಂದು ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಸಾಲು ಅಂದರೆ ನುಂಗ್ತಾವ, ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಾವ. ಯಾವ ಸುಮ್ಮ ಕೂತಾಗ ಬಾಯಿ ಮೆಲ್ಕ್ ಕಡಿಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಡಿಕೆ ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಅವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಆ ಫುಡ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವು ಮೆಲ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾವೆ. Okay, this is very interesting, right? That's called chewing the cud. Chewing the cud. They chew and make them into the small pieces and send again back to the stomach for the digestion. Okay, alright? Hope you understood the carnivores. Herbivores. Right? Now let's discuss about carnivores animals. The animal that eat other animals. Okay, that animal that eat other animals. Okay, alright. Animals that eat only other animals. They won't eat both plants and animals. Carnivores, animals that eat only the other animal, flesh of the other animal. ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ದು ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಂಸ ಏನಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತಿಂತಾವ. Okay? Animals that eat only other animals. Animals such as lions, tigers, owls and shark eat other animals. Okay? Animals such as lions, tigers, owls and shark eat other animals. Many insects eat other insects. Many insects eat other insects. Ladybird, beetles feed on insects that destroy crops. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Okay? The animals such as lions, tiger, wolves, wolves, and owls and sharks eat other animals. Many insects eat other insects. Ladybird, beetles feed on the insect that destroy the crops. Okay? Insects eat other insects. Ladybird, beetles feed on insects that destroy the crops. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Animals that eat other animals are carnivores. What are carnivores? The animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. Lions, tigers, wolves and owls, shark, etc. are called as carnivore animals. Carnivores. Okay, C-A-R-N-I, carnivores, V-O-R-E-S, carnivores, right? So here you can see the carnivores eat other animals. Carnivore eats other animals. See, here you can see the eagle bird and this is tiger. Okay, they are eating the flesh of the other animals. Okay, so now move on to the carnivores such as lion, tiger have a sharp teeth. See here. They have a sharp teeth. Carnivores such as the lions and tigers have the sharp teeth. These sharp teeth help them in tearing the meat. ಆ ಮಾಂಸನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಜಗ್ಗಿ ಹರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. Carnivores such as lions, tigers have sharp teeth. These sharp teeth help them in tearing the meat. ಮಾಂಸ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತುಂಡಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ sharp teeth. They have strong grinding teeth. These are called grinding teeth. ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಒಸಡೆ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಒಸಡು ಹಲ್ಲು. Now grinding teeth to chew the flesh and bones. They also have the strong legs and sharp calves. Strong ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪಂಜೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಉಗುರಿರ್ತಾವೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದಮ್ ಟು ಕಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರೀ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದರದನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಕಾಲಿಂದ, ಕೈಯಿಂದ, ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹರಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ calves that help them in killing their prey. Lions have the sharp teeth. Eagle have the sharp calves. These are called calves. Sharp calves. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬೀಕಿಂದ ತಿಂತಾವೆ ಈಗಲ್ಸ್. ಇವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಟೀತಿಂದ ಹರಿದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಗ್ರೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಟೀತ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಗ್ರೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೀತ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಟೀಸರ್. Which is the only insect that produces food available for the human consumption? Find out. Which is the only insect that produces food available for human consumption? That is called honeybee. ಹನಿ ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಹನಿಬೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಲಾಗಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತದ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫ್ಲವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫ್ಲವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ಡು, ಅದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೇಬಿಗಳು ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದು ಕೊಡದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇ ಆ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನ, ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪನ ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ಶಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಈಟರ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಈಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಟರ್ಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಕ್ಸು ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತವ, ಮನುಷ್ಯ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ. Eaters, as is generally believed. They eat other fish and even other sharks. Large sharks sometimes eat dolphin or sea lions. Okay, large shark ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶಾರ್ಕ್ ತಿಂತವ, ಅಥವಾ sometimes they eat dolphins and sea lions ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್, ಅವು ತಿಂತವ. Okay, so let's move on to these are called carnivores animals. They eat only the other animal. Such as lion, tiger, wolves, owls, shark. Okay, these eat the other animals. Right? So animals that eat both plants and animals. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Sparrows eat seeds as well as insects. Ants, bears, foxes, crows, cockroaches, and peacocks eat both plants and animals. See the picture here. Okay. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Sparrows eat seeds as well as insects. Ants, bears, foxes, crows, cockroaches and peacocks eat both plants and animals. They eat both plants and animals. Okay. This sparrows, ants, bears, foxes, crows and cockroaches and peacocks eat both plants and animals. Okay. These are called omnivores. Omnivores eat both plants and animals. Right? These are the animals that they eat both plants and animals. Okay. Omnivores such as bears have sharp teeth like carnivores. Omnivores such as the bears have the sharp teeth like carnivores and also flat teeth like herbivores. Bear, curdy, they eat both flesh of other animals as well as the plants. They have both the type of teeth, one sharp teeth and flat teeth. Omnivores such as bears have sharp teeth like carnivores and also have a flat teeth like herbivores. The sharp teeth in front help in biting and tearing food. The flat teeth behind the sharp teeth help the omnivores in chewing their food. The flat teeth behind the sharp teeth help the omnivores in chewing their food. Right? Thus, bears have sharp teeth in the front and flat teeth in the back. Hence, they eat both plants and animals. Right? Clear? Let's check your understanding. Fill in the blanks. Lions have sharp teeth to help them in tearing the meat. Lions have sharp teeth to help them in tearing the meat. Sparrows eat seeds as well as the insects. Sparrows eat seeds as well as the insects. Okay, brain teaser. Okay, match the teeth the correct animal. Okay, here the bears have sharp and flat teeth. Flat teeth for this sheep, sharp teeth for this lion or tiger. Okay, so this is how we got familiar with the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores animals. It's interesting. Do you know it is only the adult female mosquitoes that bite? The male mosquitoes feed only on the plant juice. Okay. Do you know it is only the adult female mosquito that bites? The male mosquitoes feed only on plant juices. Right? So care of animals. Care of animals. Right? Care of animals. Animals that are kept in the farm or at home are called domestic animals. Animals that are kept in the farm or the homes are called domestic animals. Nam farm alli idtivi, nam maneli pets and itkotivi. They all are called domestic animals. We also keep animals at homes as pets. We also keep animals at home as pets. These animals need proper care. These animals need proper care. We must make a proper homes for them to stay in. What we have to do? We must make proper homes for them to stay in. The homes of the domestic and pet animals should be cleaned every day. The homes of the domestic animals and pets and pet animals should be cleaned every day. Healthy food should be given at the proper time. Healthy food should be given at the proper time. Animals should be given clean drinking water. Animals should be given clean drinking water. Animals should be kept clean. Animals should be kept clean. Okay? Sick or injured animals must be taken at once to the animal doctor. They are called veterinarian doctors. Veterinarian doctors. Right? Sick or injured animals must be taken at once to the animal doctor. They are called veterinarians. Veterinaries. Okay? Veterinaries. Okay? We must be kind to the animals and should not hurt them. We must be kind to the animals. We should not hurt them. Okay? So, we have to take care of domestic animals as they are very friendly with human beings. They are helpful for human beings. So, animals that are kept in the farm or at homes are called as domestic animals. We also keep animals at homes as pets. These animals need proper care. We must make proper homes for them to stay in. Proper homes katkodಬೇಕು. The homes of the domestic and the pet animals should be cleaned every day. ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Animals should be given a clean drinking water. Animals should be given clean drinking water. ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾದ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ. Animals should be kept clean. ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಮೈ ತೊಳೆದು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಇಡಬೇಕು. Sick or injured animals must be taken at once to the animal doctor, veterinarian doctor. Right? So, doctor ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಹೌದು ಒಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಟನರಿಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ರೋಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ರುಚಿನಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. We must be kind to the animal and should not hurt or tease them. ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ದಯಾಮಯಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಹೇಳಿ ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಹೊಡಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನೋವು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ we should have learned from this lesson. Here what we have learned, the food habits of the animals and their eating habits. Okay, the animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. The animals that eat both plants and animals are called as the omnivores. The animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Herbivores, omnivores, carnivores and omnivores. Right? Carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. Okay? Animals that eat only the plant are called herbivores. The animals that eat only the other animal are called carnivores. The animals that eat both plants and animals are called as omnivores animals. I have given many more examples in this book. We have got familiar with this book, all the concept of this book, of this lesson. Okay, try to read and understand, listen and watch to the video properly. Right? Until unless you work on this, you won't understand. We know that animal eats food, right? And all the animals need food, air, water and sunlight. All the animals live in a proper homes, right? As they can't take care of themselves, if we keep the domestic animals in our house, we have to take care of them, because the animals can't take care of themselves. Like their homes they can't able to clean. Okay, we have to provide them the proper food because they help us and they are our pets. Some animals help, some animals provide us milk, some animals provide us wool, some animals help us to carry the loads, some animals to help us to travel from one place to another place. Some animals are we keep them as a friend. They are called pet animals. For them, we should make a proper house first, proper homes. That proper homes to be cleaned every day. We should provide them the healthy food, and we should give them clean drinking water. Animals should be kept clean. Animals ಕೂಡ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂದ ತೊಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ sick or injured animals must be taken to the hospital, animal doctor, that veterinarian doctor, and we must be kind, and we should not hurt or tease the animals. ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗರು ನಾಯಿ ಬಾಲ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಯಿಗೇನೋ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಯಿ ಕಲ್ತೊಂಡು ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಬಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ತೊಂಡು ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ಅವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. They won't hurt us. That's why they are called domestic animals. You know domestic animals very well, right? So next, science lab activity you have to do at your home. Material required: animal models and miniature dolls. Okay, animal models, miniature dogs, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, so take that as homework and do it in presence of your elder. That's word power. That's herbivores, animal that eat only plants. Carnivores, the animal that eat other animals. Omnivores, animal that eat both plants and animals. Right? Let's recall. Different animals eat different types of food. Different animals eat different types of food. Based on their food habits, animals can be divided into 3 groups: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Based on their food habits, animals can be divided into 3 groups: the herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores such as horses and giraffes have a flat teeth that help them to chew plants. Herbivores such as the horses and giraffes have the flat teeth that help them to chew plants. Carnivores such as the lions and tigers have the sharp teeth to tear the flesh, and they also have the sharp claws to help kill their prey. Omnivores such as the bears have the sharp teeth like carnivores and also have the flat teeth like herbivores to help eat both plants, animals and plants. Animals that are kept in the farm or at home are called domestic animals, as you know. And we also keep animals at homes as pets. Right? These are the things we have studied in this lesson. We have recalled them. After reading, understanding, we should go to the answer. Let's answer. Right below the animal each, whether it has a herbivores, it is a herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. This is omnivores, this is a carnivores, and this is herbivore. See, what do these animals eat? Right in blank. This is the nectar present in the flower. Okay, what do these animals eat? Right in the blank. The butterflies, nectar from the flower, the deer, leaf and grass, the squirrels, seeds, nuts, fruits, etc. Okay, so next move on to the question answer. I will share you the answers for these questions. Don't worry. Let's explore. Imagine a world where all animals eat only plants. What would happen then? It's very difficult to imagine the world which eats only the plants. If they eat only the plants, we will get a scarcity of plants. Okay, so again we have values and life skills. Ronnie, Amit's pup, was unwell, was not eating properly. What should Amit do? Leave it alone. The sick animal, if we get sick, if you are not eating anything, if you are not keeping unwell, what we do? Whether we stay alone? No, right? We take it to an animal doctor. Give some medicine that is at home. No. We should know the proper medicine to be given at that movement to that animal, we should consult the veterinary doctor. Okay, animal hospital, right? So fun time. Do this activity. Minko, the monkey, is hosting a party. She has invited Bunny, the rabbit, bird, the sparrow, hoppy, and grasshopper, Squeaky, and the squirrel, and Bitty, the butterfly. She has collected food item for each of them. Match each animal with the food that it will eat. Here, sparrow eat nuts, as you know, and sparrow eats insects also. Rabbit eat the carrot, right? A grasshopper eats only the grass or leaves, right? Butterfly from the flower, it eats the nectar, right? Squirrel, again it eats nuts. Squirrel eat nuts. Okay, clear? So these are some of these things. Okay, let's integrate. Do you know that elephants are the large land animals in the world? Make the continent where the elephant live in a large number of on the world map. So just Google it out. Google it out. You will find this answer in even the location on the world map too. Okay, just try it. So this is the lesson called Animal Food They Eat. Animals food they eat. Okay, here in this we came to know the different animals eat different types of foods, what they are called as, and how the jar means the teeth structure is. Okay, we came to know the herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores animals and their eating habits. Okay, and we came to know the domestic animals and how we have to take care of domestic animals, right? These are the things we came to know, we have learnt in this lesson. Hope you understood thoroughly. First, I request, listen, watch, understand, think and ink. Followed. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ತಿಳ್ಕೋರಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅರಿವು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಟೈನಿ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಅವು ಏನೇನು ತಿಂತಾವ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿಂತಾವ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಫುಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಥರದ ಫುಡ್ ತಿಂತಾವ, ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಅವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ ವಿಷಯನೇ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮೆಟಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಓದಿ ಬರ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನಾಗ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಅವಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರೆ, ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಓದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ತವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ನಾಗ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಮು. ಈಗ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ದೇ ಈಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಂತರ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ಸಿ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. Okay, take care, bye bye.